Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope I find you well. Looking at some of the conditions that we had a bit of sunny breaks along the main watershed as of this morning, but this heat led to thundery showers as clouds started to gather by this afternoon, and this led to millimeters up below 20 millimeters from the bulk of the country. These are the clear skies that were there in the morning, but by afternoon those clouds were gathering in, giving us the thunderstorms along this main watershed where we see this green color. More showers are projected over the north as we get into the rest of the week, and with that we're expecting the areas covered to increase later on, but clear skies are projected later on in the week as cooling winds drift into the southern parts. But for tonight, we're expecting generally mild conditions, mostly above 15, except for the interior of the country where we're expecting those cloudy conditions to persist across into the night with rain showers projected there. And by afternoon, we're expecting slightly warmer conditions. We're expecting bulk of the country to be above 30, but along the main watershed, covering parts of Bulawayo as well, we're expecting 28 degrees Celsius, 27 into Matopo, slightly cooler than the rest of the country. We're expecting it to be in the 30s for areas such as Gwanda. We're expecting it to be warmer than of late. For Gwe, we're expecting it to be 28 because it's also situated along that main watershed. We're still expecting rain showers across that whole entire main watershed. Masvingo in the southern parts, we're expecting 31 degrees. Eastern Highlands also influenced by that cloudy system, expecting a maximum of 24 for tomorrow and cooler as we get into the rest of the week. For Marondera, also under the influence of the rain showers, we're expecting a maximum of 26 degrees Celsius, while Harare is projected to be at 28 with cloudy conditions and the rain showers projected, especially in the evening hours. For Kwegu, we're expecting 31, but it drops to 27 on Wednesday and rises again on Thursday to 30. 27 projected for Kadoma on Wednesday, but for tomorrow, we're expecting a maximum of 32 with more of the sunny breaks projected there. Chinoy expecting a maximum of 31, but it drops to 27 on Wednesday and then rises slightly to 28 on Thursday. For Victoria Falls, mostly in the 30s for much of this week, drops only on Friday to 25, whilst Lupani is in the 30s for much of this week, only dropping on Friday as well to 26 degrees with rain showers projected there. Bindura projecting 30 for tomorrow, whilst it drops to 28 and then later on to 27. 30s for Kariba for much of this week. So for warmer condition, one has to be in the northern or southern parts of the country. We're expecting temperatures to be above 30. That's all for our weather and forecast. Been a place in Zimbabwe. I'm James Kumba Jr. for the Met Department.